Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to duplicate items and grow a garden. We'll explore two simple yet powerful methods to help you multiply your valuable resources. By following these easy steps, you can significantly boost your garden's growth and progress much faster. Get ready to transform your farming experience and achieve your gardening goals with ease. Our first method, the reclaimer and slot swap, is quite effective. You will need a reclaimer tool and access to a second garden slot. First, select the plant you want to duplicate and begin the reclaim process. Crucially, before confirming, quickly switch to your second garden slot. Once there, confirm the reclaim. If done correctly, you will find the original plant still in your first slot and a duplicate seed in your inventory. This can take several tries to master. Next up is the auto-clicker seed duplication method, perfect for multiplying your seeds. You will need an auto-clicker, ideally set to 1 millisecond for optimal speed. For the best chance of success, try to join a server with high ping or noticeable lag. Once in your garden, activate the auto-clicker and rapidly click while wiggling your mouse as you attempt to place a seed. This can cause the game to register multiple placements from a single seed, giving you more plants than you started with. Remember, mastering these duplication methods might take a few attempts, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't work on your first try. It's also important to note that game developers often patch glitches, so these methods might not work indefinitely. Always use these techniques responsibly to enhance your gameplay experience. With a little practice, you'll soon have an incredibly abundant garden filled with all the resources you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.